In this video we show top 10 fattest people in the world, based on recorded history.
Number 1. Fattest person. John Brower Minnick, Country, USA. Approximately 1,400 pounds, 635 kilogram. Number 2. Fattest person. Khalid bin Mozanshari, Country, Saudi Arabia. Approximately 1,345 pounds, 610 kilograms. Number 3. Fattest person, Manuel Uribe. Country, Mexico. Approximately 1,316 pounds, 597 kilograms. Number 4. Fattest person. Juan Pedro Franco, Country, Mexico. Approximately 1,312 pounds, 595 kilograms. Number 5. Fattest person. Karel Yaga, Country, USA. Approximately 1,200 pounds, 544 kilograms. Please share this video. Number 6. Fattest person. Walter Hudson, Country, USA. Approximately 1,197 pounds, 543 kilograms. Number 7. Fattest person. Rosalie Bradford, Country, USA. Approximately 1,199 pounds, 544 kilograms. Number 8. Fattest person. Michael Habranko, Country, USA. Approximately 1,100 pounds, 499 kilograms. Number 9. Fattest person. Myra Rosales, Country, USA. Approximately 1,036 pounds, 470 kilograms. Number 10. Fattest person. Patrick Duell, Country, USA. Approximately 1,072 pounds, 486 kilograms.
Please follow, like, share, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel.